In this video, I will show you how to show header row in Microsoft Excel. So very simple and easy way. Firstly, you find out this view tab, and here the option freeze pen. If you not see this view tab, so find options and customize ribbon, and make sure this setting for view tab is selected. In case it's not selected, so select it, then click on OK. So you can see this view tab. Now, if you want to freeze this two row, so select here this second row and freeze and click on freeze pen. Now, if you move, scroll down, so it will be freeze. If you want to freeze this two header row, select, keep your cursor and select this third one and freeze pen like this. Similarly, you can freeze first three row. So firstly, you need to unfreeze this all. Now keep your cursor on number 4, select this number 4 row, freeze pen and click on freeze. First three header rows now freeze. And if you want to unfreeze, so select and here, select here. So thanks for watching.